Hey guys, today we'll be making a delicious crispy potato galette. This is a super easy recipe and literally anyone can do it. First I'll start by peeling one large potato and then I grate it on a regular box grater on a medium coarse. I then add my shredded potatoes in a cheesecloth and wring out all the water. I preheat a non-stick pan on a medium setting. I add some olive oil and then my shredded potatoes. I always make sure to form my galette into a nice even circle. Now I'm adding a little bit of salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Cook the galette for about 5 minutes or until golden brown. Now it's time for the legendary flip. I added 2 different angles of my flipping skills just in case you missed it the first time. Make sure you cook the galette on both sides for about 5 minutes or until golden brown. My galette is now ready to serve and I will garnish it with some dried parsley, black pepper, and with my vegan homemade Parmesan cheese. You can find the ingredients for my vegan Parmesan cheese on the description below. I'm telling you guys, this is delicious. It is so easy and fast to do. You can serve this as an appetizer or for a breakfast dish. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.